Hi, this is Emtiaj from Noakhali Science and Technology University. Today I am going to show you how can we install an operating system on another operating system in Windows 10. For this, we will use VirtualBox and Linux operating system. So friends, first of all, we must have VirtualBox. You may search on Google, then you can download it from Perspective website. Here I am gonna showing you. Here you can download VirtualBox for your prospective operating system, Linux host, OS X host, Linux distribution, Solaris host. I have a VirtualBox on my PC, that's why I'm not willing to download it. You have to download it and then please install the application file. I have also installed it, so I am not installing it. So now we will use VirtualBox to install another operating system in our Windows operating system. First of all, we open VirtualBox, then click New. Now we will configure the system. We will use Debian, so name of the system must be Debian. We will use 32-bit operating system, then click on next. We will use 2024 megabyte memory. Create a virtual hard disk now. Virtual disk image, we will use fixed size and it will be 8 GB. Then wait for a while, it's loading. We may pause our video. We have resumed our video again. There is 88%. We'll wait for a while. So now we will start it. It's taking time. Sometimes it takes more time. Yeah, screen has come. Now we will load the ISO file from our storage. Here is our storage, Debian. We will use Debian ISO file. Then start. Now we will install Debian. Press enter key. Then it's loading. Now English, we'll select language English. Country zone other. Then it will be Asia. So it must be Bangladesh. Local default setting, we will select United Kingdom or United States. I will select United Kingdom, then British English. So additional components is loading. It will take little time. Configure is okay. Host name, I will provide my name Emtiaj, then continue. Domain name Emtiaj station, then root password, it's too important. You must provide a accurate root password, then retype it. Continue. Username Emtiaj ASMB. Actually it was full name of the user. Then username Emtiaj. Then password, I will use the same password because it's for testing. Continue. Then it's setting up the clock. It's okay. Guided, use enter disk. We'll use enter disk. Okay, this all files in one partition. We'll use this. Finish. Yeah, we write the changes to disk, then press OK. Partitions is formatting now. Already formatted. Now installation is going on. It may require some time, so we may pause our video. So I will pause my video because it takes some time. Oh no, this moment it's taking less time. 32, 34, 35, 37, 41, 43, 47, 55, 60, 75, 76, 79, 83, 95, 97. Scan another CD DVD. No, we have already scanned. Network minor, whether we use it or not. Of course, we'll use it. Memory mirror country Bangladesh. Active mirror. Okay. Proxy will not use proxy. In the mirror. Configuring the mirror. It will take some time. Continue. Go back. Go back. Go. Yes. Cannot access this. Go back. Configure this. Another install. Yes. We'll install it. English, United States, American English. Loading component, additional components. It's take little time. Then network, host name. I will give Emtiaj. Continue. Emtiaj station. Station. Continue. Password 5. Continue. Emtiaj is Emtiaj Ahmed. Username Emtiaj. Password will be the same I have used before. Then re-enter the password. Okay. Select specific. So guided the install dates. Also. Yes, I will change it. Installing the base system, it takes time sometimes. Continue. Select and install software to 12%. That means it is installing. Participate in the package use survey. It will be participate in the package use survey. It will be yes. Then we need to select the software we want to install. So I'm using the by default software. Pressing continue. Here is installing software. It takes some time. So installing the guard booter. Here installing the grab booter. Here is whether we will yes or no, pressing it. So we must press yes. Then installing bootloader. It takes some times. Already it has been 66 and installing is finishing 40%. Installation complete. So we must press and continue. 90% and it is loading. So your system has been installed and we are seeing that Debian is loading. It takes some seconds to load actually. Now it's loading. Almost done. Now I provide my username and password. Username is already given. Password, so I must select a password that I have said before. Now login. So friends, this is the system, or this is the process we can install an operating system in another operating system like Windows 10. Thanks for watching my videos. See you next time.